We are one of the few places that is a pipeline for a lot of these companies, changing the way that cancer cures happen. So, welcome to science. Our students learn incredible skills, and underlying it all is human health. Can we make human health better for all people?
The diversity of our students, we get everyone here who may not feel that science has been open to them.
You're done?
I think so.
The most rewarding thing is that people get to come here and explore.
This is like the outer edge of the salivary glands.
This program at Merritt College, we are a part of the Career Education Allied Health Division. We train people how to use microscopes beyond what you would do in a general biology course.
Industry advisor said, if you train them in fluorescence microscopy, nobody knows how to do that. We will take your students, there's jobs for them.
And then there became an obvious need for another hidden field called histotechnology. You might get a biopsy to determine if you have cancer. So a histotechnician is someone who processes biopsies.
The idea is to target the cure to the actual person, and the survival rates are so much higher.
I wanted to find a field in science that I could work behind the scenes and also help people. And me and my mom searched, and we found histology program at Merritt.
It's a very unique skill because you're working with dangerous knives. And it's pretty amazing the finesse and perfection that our students are able to acquire. And once they learn how to cut, their employability goes up $10, $15 an hour from just knowing basic lab stuff. And they start getting 2, 3, 4 offers.
I am a graduate of this program. I was 37 years old. I had just had a baby, and the difference it has made in my life, I just know that I needed to repeat that multiple times. Being able to scale it and making a difference in the students' lives, that was one of my callings.
Feather and I have been partnering for the last few years, and she takes a very proactive approach when it comes to connecting with different industries and different companies. So understanding what we're looking for specifically, the sample workflows, and even soft skills. A lot of Merritt students are able to bring those qualities that we're looking for.
So this is an amphipod, and we're looking at it in dark field.
It's really fascinating learning about cell culture, how to feed cells, learning about all the newest microscope stuff that's coming down the pipe, meeting people in the industry.
What does confocal mean?
Con is usually without.
Recently, Nikon brought an entire confocal microscope, and it's one of the hottest ones out there right now. And we were able to get students trained on it, and they have images in their portfolio from the latest, greatest scope that everybody wants. And so their resumes are really packed by the time they come out.
It's not showing up.
Because the curriculum was very thorough, the mentorship, the counseling, I was able to go into my current role as a histologist, histotechnician, and I knew the cells, I knew the morphology. I was able to understand what the pathologists were even saying. And so that helped out a lot. And I think it just prepared me exceptionally. So coming from a retail management background to biotech, just like that after graduating was, it felt like a miracle.
Our alumni are working at Insignia, Genentech, Exact Sciences, UC Berkeley, UCSF Medical, this vast network. All the major hospitals, regional labs that support the hospitals. People have gone from $0 to making $80, $90K a year, bought homes, and just being able to stay in the Bay Area, which is a key thing.
And it is amazing to me to hear the stories of our alumni because they get to have this fulfilling job. My alumni say we're part of the cure. You know that what the work that you're putting in, it might save hundreds of thousands of lives.
For the future, I definitely see a lot of growth in the company that I'm currently at. There's lots of room to grow and develop. But after that, my true goal is to become a lab director and I own my own lab, and then that way I can give back like Merritt gave to me.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lena. I'm the producer.
The camera a little bit down, and then I think that's good.
Feather interview, take one, soft sticks.